The Tesla Model S features an auto-fold system for its side mirrors that automatically retracts them when the vehicle is locked or parked to protect against damage. This feature uses small electric motors in each mirror to fold them inward, controlled by the vehicle's software through sensors and the central touchscreen. Common issues include mirrors that fail to fold or unfold correctly. These problems often stem from cold weather conditions, motor malfunctions, or software glitches. In cold weather, freezing temperatures can cause the motor's lubricant to thicken, leading to binding and failure to operate smoothly. Motor malfunctions can occur when the electric motors draw excessive current or seize due to wear, requiring calibration or replacement. Software glitches may cause the autofold to malfunction, often resolved through updates or resets via the vehicle's touchscreen controls. We'll explore troubleshooting steps and fixes for these problems, focusing on the autofold feature, motor issues, and cold weather impacts. To diagnose Tesla Model S mirror folding issues, first determine if the problem is software-related or a hardware malfunction. Check for recent over-the-air updates. Tesla frequently releases updates that address mirror functionality. If the issue started after a software update, a bug might be the cause. Use Tesla's app-based diagnostics to check mirror status remotely. If the problem persists, it could indicate a motor or mechanical issue. To begin troubleshooting mirror issues, access the vehicle's service menu by tapping the Tesla T logo 5 times on the touchscreen. Once in service mode, perform a software reset to clear any temporary glitches affecting mirror operation. After the reset, manually calibrate the mirrors by folding them inward while the vehicle is unlocked. Then, lock the vehicle to test if the autofold function works properly. Finally, ensure your Tesla is running the latest firmware version to prevent compatibility issues with mirror functions. Cold weather significantly impacts Tesla Model S mirror folding by affecting the motor's lubricant. When temperatures drop below freezing, the grease inside the mirror motor can thicken and solidify, creating excessive friction that prevents the mirrors from folding or unfolding smoothly. The critical temperature threshold is -10 degrees Celsius or 14 degrees Fahrenheit. Below this point, mirror mechanisms are especially vulnerable to freezing issues. To prevent this, preheat your Tesla Model S remotely using the Tesla mobile app before driving in cold conditions. The app allows you to start climate control from anywhere, which can thaw the mirror mechanisms and restore proper function. For ongoing protection, regularly clean the mirror hinges to remove dirt and ice buildup. Then apply a silicone-based lubricant specifically designed for automotive use, which remains effective in cold temperatures and won't degrade plastic components. Importantly, avoid petroleum-based lubricants, as they can damage the plastic parts in the mirror assembly over time. Stick to silicone-based products for safe and effective cold weather maintenance. If software solutions don't work, the motor itself may be faulty. Tesla Model S mirrors use DC brushless motors that can develop issues over time, especially in older models from 2016-2020. Use the Tesla app to wiggle the mirrors, a diagnostic tool that oscillates them to free stuck mechanisms. This built-in feature helps dislodge minor binding issues caused by grease solidification in cold weather. Listen for unusual noises from the motor. Grinding or clicking sounds indicate wear in the gear system, while humming might suggest electrical issues. These noises often occur when the mirror tries to fold or extend. If the motor draws excessive current over 2 amps, it may trigger a fault code, indicating a more serious problem. Normal current draw for Tesla mirror motors is typically 0.5 to 1.5 atts, but excessive draw suggests binding or motor failure. This requires professional service, possibly motor replacement or retrofit kits for older Model S vehicles. Tesla service centers can diagnose and repair motor issues, often covered under warranty for certain models. For minor sticking issues, some Tesla Model S owners have success using WD-40 sparingly on the mirror hinges. Spray a small amount directly on the hinges, let it penetrate for 2 to 3 minutes to loosen any stuck components. Then wipe away any excess with a soft cloth to avoid buildup. After applying, recalibrate by manually folding the mirrors while the vehicle is unlocked, Then lock the car to test the auto-fold feature. However, be cautious when using lubricants. Overuse can attract dirt and debris, potentially causing more problems than it solves. Consider using silicone-based lubricants instead of petroleum-based ones, as they are less likely to degrade plastics. Always clean the hinges regularly after applying any lubricant to maintain optimal function. Regular cleaning of the mirror assembly can prevent buildup of debris that causes sticking. Use a soft cloth dampened with a mild soap solution to gently wipe the hinges and motor areas. Avoid spraying water directly, as it can damage electronics. Clean monthly or after driving in dusty conditions to maintain smooth operation. Check the wiring harness for corrosion, especially in areas with high humidity or road salt exposure. Look for green oxidation or rust on connectors. For light corrosion, use a contact cleaner spray. If heavily damaged, the harness may need professional replacement to ensure reliable mirror operation. If troubleshooting steps fail, contact a Tesla service center. Motor assembly replacements can cost $200 to $500 per mirror. Check if your vehicle is under warranty, as mirror repairs may be covered. Retrofit kits with improved cold weather resilience are available for older models.